Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a glam transformation makeup look. Now this is something I was planning to do for so long and here it is. It's a full coverage glam makeup look. So if you enjoy watching such type of looks, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, watch this video till the end, and let's just get started guys. So starting off with my favorite product, this is the Sugar Cosmetics primer stick. I absolutely love how this performs on my skin. So I'm using it on the areas where we usually prime our face and applying it. Now I'm going to be using my fingers to massage this product into my skin well. Moving towards foundation, for that I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation along with the Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face Foundation Stick to give myself a nice matte yet glowy skin look. Do you see that guys, how beautiful our skin is looking right now? It's blending beautifully together. I absolutely love this foundation combination now. To highlight our face a little bit more, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer. This is in the shade Corniche and this is really nice concealer guys. You need to try it out. To set all of this in, I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Translucent Powder and just setting my under eyes basically. Applying this powder on the areas where I get oily and setting my face. Also, I'm going to be letting this sit on my face for quite little time to just bake my face. Now using the Maybelline Master Contour Palette, I'm going to be using a fluffy brush and I'm going to use that shade to define my eyes and make it look even more snatched. This technique always works. I would definitely suggest you guys to try it out once and you will be amazed. Now using the same contour shade, I'm going to be applying it on top of my wet base. I think applying it on top of your wet base just intensifies the appearance of the contour and I like to do this. Now applying my contour on the usual areas where we contour our face, and I'm going to be taking once again that same fluffy brush. In order to define my cheekbones a little more, I'm going to be using the same fluffy brush and drawing a sort of line where I want to define it, and we will blend it out later on. Do you see that guys, how much more definition is there on our face now? To set rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 330 and I'm going to be applying it on the rest of my face. Now just dusting off the excess powder using a fluffy brush. Do you see that guys, how much more highlighted our under eyes looks? For the brows, I did my brows off camera and now it is time to move ahead towards the eyeshadow look. And for that, I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules Warrior 2 eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using this brown shade. Now I'm just stamping the shade right where I wanted to extend my eyes in an uplifted motion and I'm just blending it out. Make sure that you blend your eyeshadow shades well because it's very important guys. Now going ahead and taking that same eyeshadow shade and applying it in the inner corner of my eyes and blending it out once again. Take your time in blending, it's worth it guys. Now taking the black eyeshadow shade from the same palette, I'm going to be just adding a little bit of depth into my eyes now. So just adding the depth and just blending it out once again. And also making sure to bring the same color towards my waterline. So once that everything is blended, this is how it looks, and now it is time to add some shimmer on top of it. Before that, I'm going to be clearing up a little bit of concealer space, so I'm reapplying concealer in between where I want to apply my shimmer and just clearing out the space where I want to apply it basically. So taking that shimmer shade with my finger itself and I'm just applying it and patting it right where I want it to be. And such a beautiful eyeshadow shade this one is. I am absolutely in love with the shade, and now I'm just making sure to blend all the harsh edges. So now it is time to repeat the same on the other eyes and clearing out the eye ends. Using the Makeup Revolution blusher palette, I'm going to be doing my blusher and just applying a little bit of blusher because I want to keep it very subtle on the skin. Moving back towards the eye look, I'm just going to smudge out the down line of the eyeshadow. I don't know how to explain it, but this is what I'm doing right here. Now I'm going to be taking the Shiger Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade Foxy Brown, and I'm going to be just lining my eyes a little bit with the brown liner. Also making my inner corner go more sharper. Once all of that is done, I'm going to be applying my mascara, and for that I'm using the Shiger Cosmetics Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. This is a really cool mascara, guys. You need to try it out. So applying a nice thin layer of mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm going to be applying false lashes off camera. And our eye makeup is almost done now. I'm just adding a little bit of finishing touches like highlighting my inner corner, making everything look more perfect. Adding a little bit of highlight on top of my brows and a little bit onto my nose as well. So our eye look is almost completed, and now it is time to move ahead towards the base. And now I'm going to be using a highlighter from the same palette. Just applying a little bit of highlighter because I'm already liking how this has turned out to be, and highlighting all the usual areas of my face. Now for the lips, I'm using the Shiger Cosmetics Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade Maroon Vibe, and I absolutely love how this shade looks, guys. You need to try it out. If you're a brown dusky skin girl, this shade, you will rock it. I swear, you will rock it. I always like to make my lips look more precise, and I like to line it up with a lip brush. So once our lips is done, this is what my final look turned out to be like. I am loving the lip shade, and let me show you how the final look looks like. Here it is, guys, and I absolutely love how this look has turned out to be. It's very full coverage glam makeup look. If you enjoy watching this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it as much as you can, and I'll be back with more such videos. Until then, please make sure that you take care of yourself, and I'll be back with more such videos. Thank you for showing so much of love on my post yet.